Hello guys, today's the 176th day of me doing Codeforces every day until I reach expert. And thanks to you all for congratulating me on my birthday. And I didn't know that so much people watch my videos that they really hear about the part that I said that it was my birthday. So thank you guys very much. And I mean, yesterday's contest was a bit not as expected. I mean, I started pretty decent, right? Because I solved problem B in 9 minutes, but problem C was a bit too much for me, I think. Let me see about this. I don't believe that problem C has a tutorial yet, right? So we will wait for the tutorial. And I mean, it cost me 30 minutes just to understand what STD out is. I mean, this format is just kind of strange for me, like this. I haven't met any problem that are the same like this. I mean, in the 300 problems I have solved, this is the first time I try to solve a problem with this kind of input and output. I mean, I met it before, maybe one of those recent contests, but I didn't do it, so I didn't really think much about it. But now when I meet a problem like this in the contest, it kind of took me 30 minutes just to understand what the count flush is. So it was a bit time consuming, but I can't blame it because even after understanding what this input means, I still couldn't do it. So I can't really blame it for not doing the problem, right? Well, I think that I will wait for the tutorial to understand this problem. And from now, maybe we should try to do some problems. I mean, today is another contest, right? I mean, I'm not really busy tonight, but doing 2 consecutive days of contest seems a bit too much for me. I mean, if you see my graph, I do contests rarely, maybe once a month or twice a month because I want to prioritize my training more, but whatever. Let's try to solve maybe what kind of problem, I don't know. 1500, 1400. Let's find 1400 to 1500. Let's see what we can actually achieve from. I mean, I want to reach specialist less than 6 months of my streak, so I might really need to participate in tonight's contest. I mean, I don't really like it, but what can we actually do here? Let's see. Let's see. Dances G1 easy version. Okay, a division 4, right? A division 4G 1400. I mean, I hope that I can full solve a division 4 someday, but yeah, I think it's not that difficult. Even the last problem in the division 4 only is about 14 to 600 rankings or difficulty, so I think that it won't really make me struggle too much. I mean, that's what I said, but when in a contest we would never know, right? So I hope that I can still maybe full solve a division 4. Why is it so lag here? Come on. Come on. Come on, let me get the problem. Why is it so lag? Oh my gosh. Maybe we can open another. Let's see if LeetCode is accessible too. So why is Codeforce so lag? I mean, LeetCode problems are a lot more. What do you say? A lot more easy and not that brain dead, right? Because whenever I do a difficult problem in Codeforces, it made me really I don't know how you call that word, but it makes me feel horrified It's just, it makes my brain tickle. I don't know. But whatever. Let's try to do. This one looks easy enough. Okay, let's see. This is the easy version of the problem. The only difference is that in this version M is 1. Oh, division 4, 3. Ooh, that's kind of hard. That looks kind of hard. But let's read the problem. This is the easy version of the problem. The only difference is that in this version M is 1. You are given two arrays of integers, a to n and b to n. Before applying any operations, before applying any operations, a1 and b1, each array as you wish. And then in one operation you will perform both on the following actions. If the arrays are not empty, then and removed it, are shifted to a new array A. Oh, a new array B. Okay, let K be the final size of both arrays. You need to find the minimum number of required to satisfy AY smaller than BY for all 1 to K. Oh, okay, understandable. And the problem was too easy. To make it more challenging, you are also given a positive integer m. Now you need to find the sum of answers to the problem for m pairs of array. What the fuck? Wait a minute, I don't understand it. This problem was too easy, so the author decided to make it more challenging. You are also given a positive integer m, an m number, okay? Now you need to find the sum of answers to the problem for m pairs of arrays. Now you need to find the sum of answers to the problem for m pairs of arrays. M pairs, A, Y, C, Y, and B. The fuck? You are also given a positive. Now you need to find the sum of answers to the problem for m pairs of arrays cy to b. Okay, cy is obtained from a as follows: cy is equal to y. Cy, what the fuck? The fuck? What is cy1 and cyz? The fuck? No fucking idea. Okay, uh, the size of arrays a and b and the constraints. The second line of each test case contains integers. Contains n integers b, okay? And the constraints of on the value of element a1. Do you guys know what? I mean, I don't want to be a bitch, but my brain is kind of getting tired. Maybe I should store my energy for tonight. I don't know. I feel a bit burned out. Come on, let's read the problem again, or else I will switch to LeetCode for easier problems because I kind of feel a bit burnt out. Okay, this is the easy version of the problem. The only difference is that in this version m is 1. Okay. Before applying any operation, you can reorder the array as you wish. But from both of the following actions, if you delete one and are shifted to a new array A, okay? Let k be the final size. Also given a positive integer for m pairs. Okay, so first pair of arrays, m pairs of arrays. The fuck? 1 1 and 3 2. In the first test case for the pair of arrays, for all pairs of arrays. 1 1 and 3 2. What the fuck is 3 2? B, right? It's like CY and B. If you do, if okay, I will store this problem for later. I'm just kind of burned out. Let's try to do some LeetCode and then we can move on to another. Maybe we can rest a bit, hit the gym a bit. I'm a bit burnt out today. I mean, I don't want to be seen as a bitch, but I'm just tired. I'm just kind of tired. Okay, given a zero index string s, permute s to get a new string such that all consonants remain in their original places. More formally, if there's an index y with zero, okay, such that consonants are like u, e, o, I, e, right? That's consonants, right? U, e, o, I, e, right? Oh no. Oh, consonants are everything but u, e, o, I, e. It's a vowel, right? It's vowels. U, E, O, I, E are vowels and the remainings are consonants, okay? Good for you. All consonants remain in their original places. Permute S to get new string T such that, okay. The vowels must be sorted in the non-decreasing order of their ASCII values. Okay, for pairs of it. Oh, okay. The fuck? What the fuck? Oh, O stands first, then. Alright. I don't think it's that difficult. Uh, chart T. Now, N. Okay, so int N will be string, not size, right? Okay. Maybe we'll iterate over the string first and check if it's a vowel. Int check character C, right? If C is equal to U, or C is equal to A, or C is equal to O, all right? Oh, that's 0. Or C is equal to A, or C is equal to E, right? Then return fucking 1 or else return 0. Okay. If check of Y, then a string here. I know a vector of characters here. Okay. V dot pushback Y, and actually I want to okay, I think this is pretty spot on. Let's use a string temporary here. Okay, so if check else temporary plus vsy, okay, or else temporary dot pushback uh v dot begin, right? Nah, maybe v dot. I think it's like R begin, right? A v dot r begin, right? Like this, right? And v dot pop back. I'm not sure, but I need to sort this array first, right? V dot begin, v dot end. It must be sorted, right? They must be sorted. Oh, they must be sorted. So this must be greater, right? Greater int like this, right? Return temporary. Is this even correct? Come on, let me see, please. Oh, s dot size, my bad. What? Oh, my bad, my bad, my bad. Sy, sy. What the fuck is this? Pushback v dot r dot begin. Actually, maybe this should be better, right? Why is that so? Output, this is the output, right? Okay, do you guys know what? Let's do it manually. I don't really, I don't believe, I don't really, char A and char B. I don't really believe in LeetCode that much, but return A bigger than B, right? Maybe this will resolve the case. Okay, that might be wrong here. Maybe just sort it normally, like this, and then we can use a sound count here. The temporary will be plus v count plus plus. This will be better, right? This will be better. It must be sorted. It's a vowel. Yeah, is this correct? Uh, somehow this is not correct. Char here like this or something. I don't know. Why is it giving me shitty output? Uh, LeetCode. ODE. LeetCode. It's a 0 here. Oh no, it's an O, right? If check of sy v dot pushback. Oh shit. vy v dot pushbacks sy. That's my bad. My bad. My bad. What the fuck? Vector v, right? V dot pushback sy. Okay. What now? Oh shit. Okay, now I understand why. Okay, now I understand why. AC of A and AC table. What is 41 and 61? So a difference of 20, right? Okay. Just fucking you do it manually. I don't have time for this. I don't have fucking time to write another function. Let's just write it manually. Right? I don't have time for another function. I don't really have time for another function here. So let's just write it manually. Why? Return 1. My code is kinda messed up, right? It's too long. I mean, it's still correct, so there's nothing I can really blame it about. Okay, let's do a Codeforce problem. I mean, this series is called day dot 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 of me doing Codeforce every day, right? So there's fucking no way I will do LeetCode instead of Codeforces. That's just plain dumb, right? Let's solve maybe some easy problems. Okay, let's solve some problem. I mean, maybe not a hard problem because that will make me fucking brain dead, but let's just do some easy problems so that, yeah, let's, shit. Why is the server so lag? I don't know why, but it's just kind of lag, right? Come on. Okay, let's just do maybe 1,000, 1,100 problem. Okay, let's try to do this one. I believe it's division 4. Fuck it, but whatever. Let's try to do a what the fuck? Okay. Let's try to do this problem. Freya the frog is traveling on the 2D coordinate plane. She's currently at point 0, 0 and wants to go to point xy. Okay? In one move, she chooses an integer d such that d is in this constraints and jumps d spots forward in the direction she's facing. She's facing the positive x direction. Okay. X, Y, and K. Zero, zero. Direction she's facing. 2, 0, 2. The fuck? 2, 2. The minimum, right? Minimum amount. Okay. Let me open the whiteboard real quick. 911, right? We're fucking 911. We start with X, right? We start with X. We start with X, right? So, okay, 8, that's correct. Okay. I think this is just super easy, man. It's an 1100 problem. There's nothing to really struggle about, but whatever. Uh-huh. Temporary. In temporary mux will be x minus divided by k, right? Yeah. If temporary 1 x and temporary 1 plus plus, and temporary 2 will be equal to e divided by k. If temporary 1 minus k x, oh no, y, then temporary 2 plus plus, and count max of temporary 1 and temporary 2 plus 1 end line. This must be the answer, right? Am I correct? Am I correct? Run it, man. Oh shit. 5 3. Oh, okay, okay. Now I understand why. Now I understand why. Int. Okay. Okay, okay. Now I understand why. Okay. Max minus 2 or temp minus 1 or minus 2. Fuck. What the fuck is this shit? Erase it, man. It's correct. Super easy, right? Let's submit it. Chip, 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 chip. Yeah, easy. It's just super easy. An 1100 problem. I mean, if you tell me, I'm kind of burnt out, right? So let's try to do another easy problem and then we can move on. I mean, as you guys can see in the graph, my problem ratings are a bit, right, like stretch out, right? There's really no problem that are especially too high. I mean, the 800 problem bar chart is a bit high, but it's normal for everybody to have a high 800 problems because in contest there's just too much 800 problems, so you can't really blame anybody for that, right? Maybe a 1200 problem. Let's find a easy problem. Let's see. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Try it. Solved. Average attempts. Max attempts. Ooh. Okay, okay, okay. I don't know really what I should do. Okay, let's this one. This one seems a bit more difficult. Okay, only 1500 people have do it, so let's see. You are given an array B of n minus 1 integers. Okay, it's good if B wise, huh? An array of, okay, a good array or report that no good array exists. Ooh. Okay, the first line, B wise, the length of the array, the elements of the array. Okay. Do you guys know what? I'm gonna be honest, I'm just super burnt out today. I don't want to do anything. Maybe I should go hit the gym a bit and then maybe do something more productive, such as learn some discrete math, do some maybe homework at school. I mean, I want to revise my German a bit, so yeah. I think it's the end of this video. I mean, I want to get it to the 30 watch time because I don't want to be a bitch and somebody will see the 2 here. That would be a bit a shame, right? So let's get it to maybe 30 minutes and then we can stop the video. I'm tired as fuck. Okay, so see you guys later. I know that we need to have a consistency, but sometimes if you feel too burnt out, we should really take a day off or maybe stop what we are doing and try to figure everything out, right? So see you guys later and bye bye.